Hey guys, so I took a couple of trades today, and I just thought to show you guys this particular one I took. I took two major trades that are actually doing well, one on Eurjpy and one on Gbpjpy. They are actually very similar trades, but I was very sure, like I was let me say 90% sure of this particular setup, and that was the reason why I took it on um, the two sides from Eurjpy and from Gbpjpy. And as you can see, the trades are actually doing well, so I just thought to show you guys what I saw and the reason to why I took this trade. If it's your first time of coming through to my channel, you're welcome to Trinity FX Global. What I do basically is I just document my journey trading the foreign exchange market on this channel, showing you my process and the reality of trading basically. So if you're yet to subscribe, please do want to consider subscribing. Click on the like button to like the video, and if you have questions, do want to use the comment section. Okay, I will respond to your questions ASAP. I try as much as possible to show you guys the reality of trading, show you guys the ups and downs, like as I said, and I just show you guys what it is to really trade, and ensure that you see the way it is, the way you might not get it somewhere else. I ensure that I show you, and so that's for that. Now let's dive in straight to the video. Let's do the analysis for this Gbpjpy first. As you can see right here, let me show you guys the market structure that is actually forming currently. Now let me show you guys. As you can see from here, we've had a strong downtrend. Okay, from here, as you can see, the market crashed down to this level and did something like this. We traced back up, came down, formed a higher low, and broke structure to the upside, as you can see right here. So when I saw this at this point here, let me show you guys something. At this point, I knew market had changed structure to the upside. Remember, this is my 1 hour chart. Okay, this is my 1 hour chart. So at this level here, market had broken structure to the upside. And what do you want to watch out for once market changes structure from bearish to bullish? You want to watch out for buy setups only. So that's the reason why immediately I saw that market had changed structure from bearish to bullish, I was watching out for buy setups only. Now can you see this level, guys? Let me show you guys something. Can you see this level that I plotted out? This zone right here was where I saw that market had broken to the upside, came and rejected from this zone, and I saw market pushing up to the upside. Now I didn't just jump into the trade. Remember, this is a simple retail trading strategy, a simple break and retest. Now let me just zoom in a little bit. Let me show you guys something. Okay, so when I saw that structure had been broken to the upside, the first thing I did was to plot my trend line. Can you see this trend line right here? So I plotted my trend line, and at this level where market came to retest here, it tapped into this trend line, as you can see right there, right? So I did not still enter immediately. I waited. Now let me zoom in to show you guys something. So the point to which I began to see these rejection wicks that were being formed right here, I knew that there was buying pressure on this particular Eurjpy, this particular pair, this Eurjpy. So I knew that buyers were now fully in the market. So at this point, let me zoom in. At this point, guys, when I saw these wicks being formed, I knew it was a very good time to enter for my buyers, and that was when I entered for the buy trade right here. And as you can see, the trade is actually doing very well. Let me show you my risk to reward on this particular trade. So in this particular trade, guys, I was just risking about 30 pips, and I was targeting about 80 pips, and as you can see, it's almost about eating TP. But I'm going to be closing this trade anytime from now, because one, currently this is 6 p.m. Nigerian time, as you can see right here, and I'm supposed to close my trade anytime from now. And secondly, market has approached a very strong possible resistance level. Price can just decide to dive down to the downside a little bit, retrace before continuing, or price can just decide to just break down to the downside and continue a bearish movement. You understand, guys? So that's the reason to which why I placed my SL, my TP, I mean, at this resistance level. So let me show you guys on my MT5. my Eurjpy trade. Now this is it, guys, on Jpy. So as you can see right here, guys, this is the trade and it's currently doing well. Okay, I actually took two trades. Remember, I told you guys this is my real account. Remember, my FBS real account. And as you can see right here, let me show you guys the trade. Okay, so currently this is the Eurjpy trade. Remember, I told you guys I took two trades on Gbpjpy and Eurjpy. So for the Gbpjpy, the Eurjpy, I mean, this is the trades that, as you can see right here, I used lot size of 0.2, 0.2, 0.2, 0.1. So I was risking, I used 2 for 6, 7 lot and 0.07 lots on the Eurjpy trade. And the trade is really doing very well. So for now, let's just leave it. I would love to close it on this live video. I will definitely close it on this live video. But let me just show you analysis for my Gbpjpy. So as you can see right here, price is about eating TP. Price has already hit TP, 80 pips, okay, on our Eurjpy. So but I'm gonna close it later on. Let me just show you the analysis for the Gbpjpy too, which is almost the same thing. Almost the same thing, guys, as you can see. Now let me show you guys the same. It's just the same analysis. Okay, remember Eurjpy and Gbpjpy, they tend to move alike. So after I saw that structure has been changed from bearish to bullish, I saw the change of character at this level and a retest back to this demand zone, this new support that was forming here. Let me show you guys. At this point right here, let me plot the demand so you can even see it very much more clear. First, guys, observe this. At this point here, can you see this fair value gap? Let me show you guys something. If you observe right here, you will see that there was a fair value gap that price was reacting from. Can you see this fair value gap? This is actually a fair value gap indicator that I have that plots fair value gaps for me easily. So if you notice right here, guys, you will see that price has been reacting from this particular fair value gap. Can you see it here? So this were confirmation showing me that this bull movement would hold. Can you see price reacting from this fair value gap? So when the price retraced down to this level, I saw price reacting from this fair value gap. That was one. Secondly, I plotted what? My trend line. This was my trend line, bullish trend line, and price actually tapped into it at this same level where price was reacting from my fair value gap. Are you guys seeing it? So when I saw all of this happening, I didn't just jump in. I still waited for what? For weak rejections. Can you see all of these candles? All of these candles rejection, all of these weak rejections right here. That was when I waited for a little bit of a test back to this level and I entered for my buy immediately. So for Gbpjpy, this is the trade management. I was risking just 35 pips. As you can see right here, I was risking 35 pips and I was targeting 94 pips. And as you can see, market has just smashed my TP. And I'm going to be closing this trade right now because price has approached this possible. You know, there's another block here. So price has approached it and price might likely just reverse from this other block and it might just do something like this and continue the bullish movement or possibly break down to form a new bearish movement. So as you can see, this was what I actually saw that made me take these two trades on Eurjpy and Gbpjpy, and the trades actually hit TP. As you can see, let me show you guys the Eurjpy trade again. As you can see right here, so these are the trades. So on my MT5, I took both trades and I'm going to be closing them right now because they've smashed TP, as you can see. So today I entered a trade initially. So currently I'm on 87 USD, as you can see right here. Okay, so we are actually doing very well. It's the same account, guys, the same FBS rule account. Okay, so this is my trade history for today. I took a loss on GBP USD this morning earlier on, and as you can see right here, this is it for today's trade. As you can see, this is my trade history for today. Let me show you today. So this was my first trade for today. I took a loss on GBP USD before taking this trade that actually broke us up from that loss, and we are now currently in profit massively, as you can see right here. So we are going to be closing this trade right now. We're going to be closing on 89.45. let's see if it's going to enter 90. If it enters 90, then we can just close. Let's say, okay, it's now on 90, so let's close, guys. We are closing all positions right now. So that's it for today. So we ended with 90 USD on this account. So plus and minus on this account right now, today we're able to make 67 USD, as you can see. Remember, we started this account with what, 500 USD, remember. So for now the account has gone up from 500 to 638. Okay, so we are actually doing well on the account. So let's see how far we can go. Let's see how far we can go on this 500 USD account. So that's all for today, guys. And today is actually a good day, and I just thought to show you guys this massive trade, because for me this is the highest profits I've made so far in the year 2025. Remember, this is January, we are just starting. So let's see how far we can go with this account. Thank you very much for watching the video from beginning to the end. If you have questions, please do well to use the comment section. I will respond. And remember to like the video, and please guys, let's grow this channel together. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, please, I plead with you to please subscribe to this YouTube channel. Okay, I promise to try as much as possible to be transparent on this channel and show you guys all of my process. As you can see, I'm showing you guys both my wins and my losses. I'm not hiding anything from you guys. I'm not here to prove a point. I'm just journaling my trades, and so that we all can, grow together and encourage each other to show that it's possible to be consistent doing this thing. So thank you very much for taking our time to watch the video to this extent. I'm so grateful. And like as I said earlier, if you're yet to subscribe, please do well to subscribe. So see you guys in my next video. Bye.